often bombarded with the idea that more is better. More content, more pages, more, well, everything, right? But let's take a step back and focus today on the idea that less can actually be more. That's right, I'm talking about the magic of one-page websites. While the world may be pushing for quantity, studies have actually shown that streamlined designs often lead to better engagement and higher conversion rates. Now, if you're thinking, Alli, are you saying that I should take all of the things that I want to put on my website and just cram them into one page? Well, no, not exactly, but stick with me because I'm about to share with you how simplifying your online presence can lead to a more focused user experience and attract the right clients into your business. So what exactly is a one-page website, you might be thinking? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's all of your website pages on one single scrollable page. There's no navigation, there's no endless clicking. It's just one smooth journey for your audience from top to bottom. There's been a shift from these complex multi-page designs over to these streamlined one-pagers. And let me tell you, small businesses are reaping the benefits. So let's go ahead and talk about that. What are the benefits of a one-page website? One-page websites are really great, especially for any business that might be on a tighter budget. Now, not to say that it's less in any way than a large multi-page site, but it does cost less because of the development time, the design time, all of the content creation that goes in because it's one single page. This means, of course, that you'll be able to spend more of your funds on other important activities like marketing and advertising and actually driving leads to that website. Maintaining a one-page website is also much simpler because there's just less to maintain. So when you make updates, they have to happen in less places. This makes life a whole lot easier for entrepreneurs wearing all the hats, like so many of us often are, because you can keep your content fresh more easily without spending so much time or money. As you probably already know, capturing your audience's attention and keeping it is extra challenging these days, but with a one-page website, it's easy to clearly communicate your big message without all of those other distractions on the page. Your audience can quickly get an idea of who you are and how you can help them, making sure that they have a smooth and enjoyable experience. This focused design encourages a deeper engagement too. When you land on the page, you're in control of that narrative that you're telling rather than your user clicking from page to page. When they scroll down, you can put the most important information that you want them to see from top to bottom and tell a story in the process. It's kind of like when you go to a restaurant and you are greeted with one of those menus that has everything under the sun listed on it and you just cannot make a decision. I don't know about you, but when that happens to me, I just order what my friend ordered because I'm too stressed out. So on a one-pager, you're not going to have that experience. Back to the idea that less is more, one-page websites truly capture this idea with their modern and minimalistic design, which is perfectly in alignment with current trends. You can have a one-page website that is really gorgeous and visually appealing and that completely reinforces your brand identity. Super important, right? You've got to be using the consistent colors from your color palette and typefaces and your image style. You can add those all throughout the page, creating this really consistent, cohesive look for your viewers. A minimalistic design like this allows you to truly focus on what matters, your message. By avoiding unnecessary clutter, you can really guide people to exactly what you need them to know. Your offerings, your services, you can make it so much simpler for them to be able to actually connect with your brand and take action. And when it comes to driving real results from your website, one-pagers don't stop. They're fantastic for getting conversions. This is because they're designed to lead your viewers to take the action that you want them most to take. So whether that's making a purchase, subscribing to your newsletter, or booking a call. By having a single focus on your page, you eliminate all other distractions and direct attention action to your call to action. I've seen clients go from a standard multi-page website over to a one-page website just to keep things simpler for the most part, but then realizing that they actually are getting better conversions. This is because you can add that same call to action on a few different locations throughout the page, so your audience knows the exact next step they should take. And in my opinion, one of the most compelling benefits to a one-page website is your ability that they give you to help tell your brand story. So when they land at the top of the page and you introduce what you do, you're in control of that narrative as they scroll down the page. You can immerse them in your brand's journey as they go down the page and tell them about your brand's origin before leading them into your products and services. Then follow them up with social proof like testimonials before asking them to take that action. And you can do this all on one page. You don't have to ask them to click over to this page to check this out or over here to check that out. It's all on this one page, which really helps them have a great seamless experience. Now that we've walked through the benefits of a one-page website, I hope it's really clear for you to see that they are more than just a simple website, and they have so much more to offer than simplicity. From cutting costs to boosted engagement and conversions, there is a lot to love about this type of website. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by your current website, maybe all of the content that's on it and trying to reorganize it or manage it, or maybe you're a new business just starting out and you really have no need for some large multi-page website, I want you to consider this as a solution, this one-page website. And if you still have questions about whether or not a one-page website might be the right fit for your business, I get it. It's a big decision, and that's why in this video I'm going over the pros and cons of both. So click right here to watch it.